definitely recommend building this mouse. This is the wireless mouse from MakerWorld. And this is because I kinda got an accident with my other mouse. So I need a new one. But it is not a normal mouse because in here you only get PCB of a mouse, wires, some screws, gliding pads, what you put in the mouse, this transparent thing, I don't know what it is, but we will find out, and also the wheel of the mouse. We still need the outside of it. And to create this 3D print we need to scan this QR code and then I can just open. And yeah, you do see the mouse. I already 3D printed the parts, the inside of it, but there's still one part I need to 3D print, and I can select that right now. Prepare print, and I can select it. Look, this is the one. Next, and you see 2 plates. Plate 2 I already 3D printed. Now I only need to 3D print plate 1, and I select the right filament and print current plate. And now it is gonna start, so yes, that was pretty easy. But now, first let's put this together and let it 3D print it. Print the outside and we build the inside. I think we need to start with the PCB. And the scroll wheel, you just can put in like this. Oh yeah, now we got the glass piece. I know what for it is. That is for the light on the back here. Gonna use and need to put it like this. So yeah, this goes on the 3D print, what is on the bottom. It needs to go on the bottom like that. And now we can just put this on top. Oh, perfect. The second thing we need to do is get a battery. This is not included with it, so you need to just get another one. And also these wires. You got a minus and a plus. Goes right here, right there. And now we can just put in the batteries like that. Really good fit. And bring in this connector. And I think that was all. So that was pretty easy. Now I kinda forgot a part, so let's go back. So I think there's an on-off switch and installs we do somewhere. Okay. I think that right there is the all. Just like that, I hope. Hopefully just this works. Oh yeah, there's on the PCB is a switch right there. Sure that is connected. And yes, by mine is now perfect. Yes, it's going on. Off, on. Ah, perfect. And we also can put the battery cover on. And now we're really done with the underside, and we can just put this on top. So like that, and only use 3 screws. And we can then, oh yeah, we can put these on, and there's just 3 places to go. 1, 2, and 3. So this is done. Great. And now we just need to wait for the outside. So, and the 3D printer is done. The only thing we have to do is remove it. And now we just put it on. And it fits, and we can put in there 2 screws. That is 1 and 2. And we also have a place to put the last gliding pad for the mouse. And it's done. Oh. Ooh, that's actually quite nice. It's really quiet. Oh, it even has a button for the DI, how fast it's moving, but does it actually work? For that, when I was reprinting, I put the connecting thing what you need to the PC here, and you just can take this off. Take thing out. We'll see if it works. This turned on. Yes, it works. Don't know if you see it. Yes, there. Oh, why is it getting bigger? Okay, anyway, this is the problem probably with the Mac. It works quite well, and I don't know if you hear it, but it's not that loud of clicking. Wait, I will. Other mouse what I have used for gaming is really loud. This. I kind of like it. The shape is okay. It's kind of same as this, but I like this more. But anyway, it's not bad. Way better than mouse you can buy in other stores for like €2, and it was pretty cheap, €10. So that's really good. And I kinda like the transparent color, so this came out really good. If you wanna build your own mouse and you have it 3D printed, I definitely recommend building this mouse. Pretty awesome. Bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe.